All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to change the color of this shirt. Now you're going to need to get a selection going. So I'm going to use the wand tool, and we have the quick selection tool. For a contrast color like this, like, red on a white background, you should probably just be able to, yeah, you pretty much got the thing right there. I mean, that's almost a pro selection. If you want to get better, you're going to use a clipping path, and that's with the pen tool right here. And you have to learn all these little guys in here, but you can go back and forth because um, yeah, it uses all the features of the path. I'll show you that right now. I'm going to deselect this. This is what a clipping path looks like. It's just a little blue, well, depending on how your Photoshop set up. But you can just draw that on with the pen tool. So I'll do that real quick just to show you that. The pen tool is here. And you zoom in, you got to get close for this one. And then you start drawing, like just basically trimming. So if this is a different color, if it was like a cream and then this background's cream, well, you're not going to be able to select it with just any old tool. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm holding Option now. I can move that around to point it in the right direction for the rest. So I'll blast down here real quick, and then when you get here, you can go around the corner, and then when you get to the circle there, the radius you want, you stop, hold Option again, and then it kind of frees you up. And those are in here. So regardless of what you want to use for the selection, you're going to need to select it. But I'm just going to click on this path because I already had one. You can Option click on the path when you're done. That was the work path we were working on. Or use whatever tool you want. So now that we've got this going, the most tried and true way is to go to Adjustments and go to Hue and Saturation. This is probably the most powerful one. Hue is usually pretty sensitive. You see that? Like changing, like brutal. Saturation, like no saturation is black and white. So if you just want to make something gray or black or whatever, definitely just jump into that one real quick. This is a little bit more of a brutal change. See that? Like it gets blown out. It's like exposure almost. Um, and you can just type in the numbers here, 0, 0, 0. So we'll start from scratch. But yeah, so let's say we go hue and then we just go some saturation here, or just swing it back this way. It depends what you're trying to do. So now you've got a yellow and you want it, so if you were going for like some mustard yellow or something. Yeah, you just want to see how sensitive hue is at times. It isn't always, um, but yeah, so that's how you change colors. Now, as far as like knowing exactly what color to do, uh, there's like millions of combinations. So you really should just jump into this hue and saturation uh, window and just try every combo you can because I mean the possibilities are kind of endless. So that's hue and saturation. That's how you change the color of shirts, whatever, anything you really need to change color of, eye color, you name it. That's the most basic and quick way to get you through it. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like and let me know in the comments. Thanks.